Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it is Lending Club LC. Now this came in the option scanner. The option scanner. Let's see, what was the price? It was alerted at 23.89. These two haven't. Well, this one I'm still kind of waiting on. I don't think the SLGB will, but we waited on these and they didn't really move off the price. So that's why I always tell people you don't have to get in right at the time of the alert. Watch to see how it's trading, and we can make a determination later on. But LC, now I'm not saying this was super easy. 23.89 was the alert. Try to move this off here. There we go. 23.89 was the alert. Now this chopped around quite a bit. Notice what happened after hours. Why did this happen? This is an earnings play. So consequently, when it's an earnings play, we know it's going to be active all day long. I mean, that's almost a guarantee. Lending Club, people do know Lending Club, so you know that it's going to be active all day long. It's traded 29 million shares already, 81 times normal. But also, if you look at it on let's take a look on the monthly chart. This is going to give this will tell you something here. Go to a monthly chart. Look at the room it's got, okay? So that really made it attractive to me as a potential trade off that option scanner, because when you look left, it's got a ton of room. I'm not saying it's going to get to $30, but it had a ton of room. Let me get back to my 15-minute. Now, again, I'm not saying this was easy because, look at these topping tails and bottoming tails. I actually traded this in a couple of times before I finally settled in on I think this move here. But again, it wasn't super easy. I mean, I'd like to see something a lot more smooth. Again, with these topping tails, I mean, that means it got up to that price. The sellers knocked it down. Sellers knocked it down here. Buyers took it up. So it wasn't that easy in the first hour or so, but it has settled down a little bit and turned into just a great trade from the option scanner. Now, I should also just mention DAO from the AI. Just want to sort of an honorable mention. So this was a short. You can see where the short was alerted at 994, and it is down to 892. A lot of the China stocks are doing this today. So a lot of the China stocks yesterday were kind of bouncing off those lows. DAO was one of them. This actually was in the option scanner yesterday. But most of the China stocks now are starting to drift down. Just take a look at TAL just as an example. I'm sure TAL is doing the same thing. Yeah, look at this. I mean, actually it had a pre-market gap, but they're all losing it again. And wow, look how choppy that was on a 15-minute chart yesterday. So anyway, that couple of ones that were excellent, but the LC definitely turned into a great trade from the option scanner. So I've already shut down the chart. If you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. Don't forget about the test drive, guys. The test drive link is in the email you're getting. Test drive starts on the 9th, August the 9th, runs to the 20th. Those are 10 trading days. If you sign up now, basically what you're doing is you're pre-registering, and you will not get live data until the 9th, okay? But you're just pre-registered now. It'll cost you $11.11, and that will get you our full premium service for those 10 trading days. All right, I'm going to shut this down now. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.